Respect, lovely people. The president of Burkina Faso is a leader, and no one can tell us anything apart from him being a good leader. You see, when you're a good leader, you don't need to stand on podium to tell people what you have done, but your work will speak for you. His leadership is a service to his people, not a stress to the people. He is serving the people, not stressing them. There is something amazing going on in Burkina Faso, just marvelous. Unlike other African leaders who use state money to purchase expensive cars and luxury vehicles for themselves and their ministers, meanwhile hospitals are without enough bed. The president of Burkina Faso has decided to boost our health system with new equipment. He has decided to invest the state money into the health system, thinking about the well-being of the people. In Burkina Faso, there are a lot of villages and places who don't have access to quality healthcare yet. Although hospital projects and infrastructure are being launched across the country, but while waiting for this project to be completed, these hospitals to be completed, something happened. On Thursday, 25th July 2024, the president of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, officially handed over essential materials and equipment to health facilities in Ouagadougou. This particular initiative is part of the primary healthcare strengthening project aimed to enhance healthcare services across Burkina Faso. Guys, before we move forward with the detail, kindly consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. The new equipment include mobile clinics aimed at taking health services close to the people. These vehicles have clinics in them. It is a whole medical vehicle fully with quality equipment in them. These things were made available so that although the hospitals are not yet completed, the people can still have access to quality healthcare as they wait for the completion of the hospitals. The item include 14 generators and 1,900 solar-powered refrigerators to support vaccine storage and distribution in health districts and remote centers. This will significantly improve vaccination coverage, particularly in areas without reliable electricity because it is solar-powered. Additionally, 110 electric freezers and 13 refrigerator vehicles have been acquired to further ensure the efficient distribution of vaccines. The project has also secured 11 pickup and Prado TCL station wagon vehicles, 11 cold store units, and 835 tablets to capture immunization data, enhancing the national reporting system. The total cost of this equipment is approximately 14.2 billion CFA. Now, focusing on women's health. In addition, Captain Ibrahim Traoré handed over 15 mobile clinics acquired through this project. These mobile clinics are designed to provide primary and specialized healthcare to underserved population, particularly focusing on women's health issues like breast and cervical cancer. It is equipped with mammograph, ultrasound scanners, and colposcopes. These clinics will offer essential services such as cancer screening, child health care, and general medical consultations. Now, one amazing thing is that each mobile clinic features multiple medical areas and is supplemented with folding tents for additional services like nutrition counseling, HIV testing, and pediatric care. The IDB, Islamic Development Bank, financed this mobile clinic with a total of 5.6 billion CFA. Together with a combination of other resources, the Burkinabe government will contribute to the maintenance and operation costs starting from the second year. Meanwhile, for decades, Ghana, a developed nation in West Africa, has faced challenges with an insufficient healthcare system, overwhelmed, underfunded, and understaffed. But the leaders focus their attention on building a house for God. They don't care about it. Currently, the health sector in Ghana receives a small portion of the national budget. They have prioritized the figures in their bank account more than the healthcare system and the well-being of the people. They don't care about it. Burkina Faso government is committed to public health. President Ibrahim Traoré emphasized the importance of this investment in bringing healthcare services closer to the vulnerable population. He encouraged citizens to combat malaria during the rainy season by maintaining clean environment and using mosquito nets. And when the government does something like this, everybody will be happy. The health department will be happy. The health ministry of Burkina Faso, Dr. Robert, expressed satisfaction with the new equipment, urging healthcare providers to utilize these resources effectively to strengthen the national health system. The poor healthcare system was under the former democratic regime, but they neglected the people, which means that it is in the blood of the democratic leaders not to serve their people or to think about the well-being of the people. Their own is to come and live a luxurious life and rule the people, not to lead them. But immediately the military leader took over. Look at what is happening. The health of his people become a priority. The military don't talk, they take action. You come to Ghana, the healthcare infrastructure in Ghana is inadequate, especially in rural areas, with lack of hospitals, clinic, and health centers. Some of the hospitals these politicians are boasting of in this country, if they fall sick today, if Ghana politicians fall sick today, they will not want to go there to receive treatment. They will travel not only out of their country, but straight outside the continent, which simply means that they themselves don't have any trust in the health services they are providing to their people. Right now in Burkina Faso, a mother in a village, grandfather in a village, at least will have access to quality health care and quality health services through this amazing project. Those who are sick don't need to be transported to the city to have access to quality health services. This is leadership. The hospitals, instead of you going there, the hospitals are rather transferred to you. This is visionary leadership. This man is amazing. This is the type of leader, or these are the type of leaders we need in Africa. And lovely people, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because do you know that currently Burkina Faso signed an amazing deal with Huawei? Don't worry, I'll bring the details to you. So kindly subscribe to stay updated. In my next video, I'm going to bring it on board. Respect.